The most important issue in getting a home built from our standpoint was trust. Having trust is absolutely, fundamentally the most important. Now that we're done and we look back, there's not one place in this home where we go, oh, I wish we wouldn't have done that. We got exactly what we wanted. We had confidence going through it that we were going to come out the other end with something that we wanted, with a budget we could afford, and a home that we were going to be happy with from a quality standpoint. When we first started talking with Dale and Jessica about the design, one of the things we said to them was, we really enjoy entertaining, and we want to have a very engaging area that is really designed around the kitchen. We didn't want it to be over the top, but we wanted it to look really nice. We wanted the refrigerator freezer to be almost like out of sight. You didn't notice it. It just looked like part of the cabinetry. And yet, when you use it, your reaction is, wow, okay, this is nice. We have a huge island that lets us do not only the preparation, but the presentation and the serving. Couldn't be happier with the selection of what we put in, what it looks like, and how it kind of all comes together to make a real engaging area to entertain guests. The whole build experience was a lot of fun. Jeremiah and the dirt excavation. I'm looking at this massive hole that he's creating in our site. I mean, he was almost like in a zone. He was like the earth whisperer. And it turned into a really good conversation about what he was doing and why he was doing it. And I met just all kinds of great subs that did beautiful work. That the masons and the work that they did was terrific. It was a really fun experience, and I enjoyed it a lot. I would recommend Northridge Homes in a heartbeat to a friend, a family member, or whatever, if they were looking for a home that was going to be in this, kind of range of what they were looking for. And it comes down to the trust issue. It was the level of trust that really enabled me and my wife to get to the end of this and go, it was good. It's a good home, we had a good process, and it's because of that relationship with Dale and Jessica. We trusted them.